part of the proposal would be to scale down the number of decades or years of coal, and that would be part of the credits, right? They can actually evaluate kung 50 years yung coal, gagawin 20 na lang, mapepresyohan yung 30 na hindi ginamit sa coal. Tama?
Tama.
Yeah. So why did Yusek Fragada sign, but I'll talk to you later, the extension of coal mining in our province? And you signed it, the ECC, on the day that the secretary was appointed. But I'll talk to you later. I have a letter to the secretary here. Why did you extend coal? This is not coal power plant. May coal power plants, but coal mining, the expansion. We're talking about deceleration, and we're talking about closing, and then the DENR signed the expansion. That was before your watch, and Tony didn't know about it. In between. Yes. Well, why are you moving your eyes around like that? You signed it. The expansion of coal. Before on the day the secretary's appointment was announced, when Tony resigned or her resignation. Why did you sign? I think you should review that. Because it's unfair to the secretary, kakapasok lang niya. Tapos meron newly signed coal agreement, expansion ha, not even renewal ha. Hindi nyo maalala po? Yeah. Caluya, Antique, expansion of coal mines. I have a letter for the secretary. We talked about it. Ito eh. Oh, May 23. Nag-resign na si Tony niyan. Kailan po kayo na-appoint?
June 16.
But the resignation of Tony was accepted already on this day.
It wasn't accepted yet at that time.
No, he was OIC already.
Yeah. No. I think the resignation of Secretary Loizaga was effective upon my assumption into office, Madam Chair. So most probably he was acting as officer in charge while Secretary Loizaga was still secretary.
This was signed May 23. The Secretary Loizaga's resignation was confirmed and accepted. And a day after the resignation was confirmed, despite the public announcement of the successor as OIC, the DENR approved and amended expansion of coal mining.
Madam Chair, maybe perhaps the announcement was made by Executive Secretary Bersamin about the transitions that were going to take place, but as clarified with him, I was going to take over at a later period,
Yes.
and Secretary Loizaga remained as secretary until the time that I assumed.
But he was OIC, and I'd just like to read the Civil Service Commission's Omnibus Rules on Appointments. It provides that OICs may only exercise powers limited to administrative functions and the continuation of routine activities. They are not authorized to exercise discretion. So the expansion of a coal mine in a vulnerable area where coal is already, in your own words, being transitioned, being closed, and we are opening more coal mines.